And Ovaltine, for those of you who don't know, you could do so much wonderful stuff with this wonderful malted drink. And I did today a very simple, icy Ovaltine mocha. I love coffee. So mixing Ovaltine and coffee is almost like perfection for me. So here's what I did. Some coffee, some Ovaltine, mixed in with a cup of water and a cup of milk. Add some sugar, a dash of cinnamon, just a bit of vanilla essence. Mix and pour over some ice. When last you drink Ovaltine, bro?
Yes.
Ovaltine is like literally takes you back to childhood.
Definitely.
It takes you back to childhood.
Definitely.
And the biscuits, I remember I would be eating packs of these biscuits.
Yeah, all now, I usually call putri pack at the end.
Yeah. Ovaltine is back with a bang. Thank you for Ovaltine for making this possible.